1. Who is Lionel Messi? Who is Lionel Messi? Let's learn together and practice English. Lionel Messi is one of the best football players in the world. He is famous for his amazing skills. People watch him on TV, wear his shirt, and dream to play like him. But Messi's story is more than football. It is a story of hard work and dreams. He is small and quiet, but strong in heart. When he plays, he is fast, smart, and full of energy. His life is not easy, but he never gave up. That is why so many people love him. Let's learn more about his life and improve our English. 2. His childhood. Messi was born in Rosario, Argentina, on June 24, 1987. His full name is Lionel Andres Messi. He lived in a small house with his family. He has 2 brothers and 1 sister. His father worked in a factory. His mother cleaned houses. When Messi was a child, he always played football. He kicked the ball in the street, in the house, and everywhere. People saw him and said, "Wow, he is very good." But Messi had a problem. He was small for his age. Doctors said he had a growth problem. He needed special medicine to grow. The medicine was very expensive. His parents could not pay for it. Messi was sad, but he kept playing football. He had a dream, and he did not stop. 3. A big move to Spain. When Messi was 13, his family got a chance. A football team from Spain, FC Barcelona, wanted to see him play. Messi went to Spain with his father. He showed his skills and the coaches were very impressed. FC Barcelona said, "We want you." They also said they would pay for his treatment. This was a big moment in Messi's life. He moved to Spain with his father. It was hard to leave home, but he knew it was his chance. In Spain, he started training with other young players. He did not speak the language well, and he missed his family. But he stayed strong and focused. He was ready to grow, both as a player and a person. 4. Training hard and growing strong. Messi trained every day. He worked harder than most players. He listened to his coaches and practiced his moves. He became faster and better with the ball. The medicine helped him grow, but his heart was always big. Other kids were bigger and stronger, but Messi had something special: his control, his speed, and his love for the game. He learned to play with great players and never stopped learning. Even when it was hard, Messi kept going. He believed in himself. His dream was to play for the first team, and he worked every day to make that dream come true. 5. His amazing football skills. Messi is famous for his football skills. He can dribble past many players. He can shoot very well with his left foot. He can pass the ball quickly and perfectly. People say the ball sticks to his feet. His low center of gravity helps him move fast. He sees the game differently. He knows where the ball will go. He scores many goals and makes many assists. 6. Famous moments and big wins. Messi played many big games for FC Barcelona. He won many trophies: a Liga, Champions League, and Copa del Rey. He scored in finals and made fans around the world happy. One special moment was in 2009, when Barcelona won 6 trophies in 1 year. Messi was the star. He also played for Argentina. He helped his team win the Copa America in 2021. This was a big dream for him and his country. In 2022, he won the FIFA World Cup with Argentina. It was the most important win in his life. He lifted the trophy, and millions of fans cried with joy. 7. Messi today and his legacy. Today, Messi is more than a footballer. He is a symbol of hope. He plays for Inter Miami now, but people everywhere follow his journey. He gives money to help sick children. He speaks kindly and acts with respect. He has won many Ballon d'Or awards. These are prizes for the best football player in the world. He is also a father and a husband. His family is important to him. Messi shows that being great is not just about winning. It is about being a good person. He teaches us to work hard, stay kind, and follow our dreams. 8. Let's review and practice. Let's remember what we learned. Messi was born in Argentina. He had a health problem as a child. FC Barcelona helped him and gave him a chance. He trained hard and became a star. He won many trophies with Barcelona and Argentina. Today he is a role model for millions. New words. Trophy. A prize for winning. Dream. Something you hope to do. Skill. Something you are good at. Dribble. To move the ball with small kicks. Respect. To treat others well. Legacy. What people remember about you. Now you know more about Lionel Messi. And you practiced English too. Keep learning and never give up, just like Messi.